Just got Boxy Charm! Hey everyone, I just got Boxy Charm! I'm so excited. As you can tell by my appearance, I was not planning on doing a video today at all. I didn't even curl my hair. It is just bleh. But I came into the studio to do some work for weddings this weekend and I got my Boxy Charm and of course I have to open it like right now. I'm not gonna wait. And I know you're all dying to see what's in it too. So let's go. Weapons. I think that's my favorite part is cutting open the weapon. Alright. Boxy Charm. Candy shop. We have a Siete London New England Editor palette for $32. Nice. A Tarte Mist Setting Spray for $23. A Real Her Glow Getter Cheek Trio for $28. Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. That's always a good thing. And Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. Oh, cool. So I got some skin stuff and makeup stuff. I'm excited. Alright, lots of glittery stuff. Alright, here is the editor palette. And I will do a demo on this week and check it out. Oh, it's pretty in pink. Oh, that's nice. I can tell from looking at it, this is not going to be a full face palette. Because it's mainly shimmers, but that's pretty nice. And decently pigmented. Yeah, they transfer really nice. Cool, I am excited to try that. And it's pretty! Alright, what else do we got here? We have Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter. And this is the Cheek Trio. Require the knife again. So I don't take my finger off. That would be a really funny video though. I mean, not really, but yeah, kind of. So that's the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. Nice little package. Oh, cool. We have a nice little bronzer and some highlights. So it's a blush bronzer highlight trio. So in the video, this may not be, but it's a little more orangey than I'd use for contour. So definitely not contouring from this palette, but it's really pretty shimmer. And the blush is really nice for a nice warm tone. That'd be really pretty. It's a really soft and nicely pigmented. I like this so far. I am going to have fun playing with that. I've never actually heard of this brand, so that's exciting too. And then we have Symbiosis London, Hyaluronic Acid, and Pulalan. I have no idea what it is. But it's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. So that would be nice around my eyes. Woohoo! I might actually be able to use it. It doesn't look like there's anything I am highly allergic to in it, so yes! Because my eyes could use a little care. Alright, and then we have Maracuja Miracle Mist? Or Maracuja? Do you know how to pronounce that? Let's see, can you say that? I don't know what that is. But so I think this is a setting spray. Like it, like it, like it. So I will say it says it's to set the makeup for 16 hours, but honestly, I'm kind of a huge Fix Plus fan. But I will try this. Because you never know, you might find something you like more. I'm like a huge diehard MAC Fix Plus fan for my clients. And then I use the PPI Blue Marble setting spray. It's a waterproofing spray. That's what I get 24-hour wear for my clients. But I mean, we're talking some serious stuff. Ugh. Sorry. I am trying to see what the ingredient label is. Might not be able to use it because it's got Rosa centifolia flower water. And that, so I am crazy allergic to shit, but your clients, you have so many clients with allergies. I hate when they put fragrances in a lot of the sprays and a lot of the moisturizers, and they put a lot of botanicals, and then people like break out, and you're like, yeah. And I don't want to get sued. It's one thing for like personal use, but like I always think in the whole mindset that I might use it for my clients. And so, Oh, cool. So I got one of these a few months ago, and they're really nice. I still have mine. Like I used all the diffuser, and it's a really nice body scrubber, and it works great. This one is a cherry tonka musk. That actually smells really nice. It's not overpowering. Sometimes, body washes are like, but this one's really nice. But the one I got before, loved it. It was fantastic. So cool. Nice, 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 nice. Cannot wait to try that. And there you guys have it. That was my October Boxy Charms. Let me know what you got in yours, or if you are still waiting for yours, but that's what I got in mine. I'll be posting the weight in the comment information below so you can check it out and see if you're maybe getting the same package. So I will talk to you guys next time.